Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance without any fees in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets smoothly and save money. Let's get started. First off, why do this? With Bitcoin's value fluctuating, getting your coins to a platform like Binance for trading can maximize your opportunities. But fees can eat into your profits, so we'll focus on strategies to avoid them, especially with potential 2025 updates like lower network congestion. Before we begin, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Binance and that you own some Bitcoin on Coinbase. Also, keep an eye on market conditions, as Bitcoin fees can vary. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and head to your Bitcoin wallet. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. Step 2. Select Bitcoin as the asset and choose the withdrawal option. You'll need to enter a destination address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Step 3. Switch to your Binance account. Go to your wallet, select Bitcoin, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's the correct network, like the Bitcoin blockchain, to minimize fees. Step 4. Back on Coinbase, paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Double-check for accuracy to avoid lost funds. Now, here's the key to going fee-free. In 2025, Bitcoin's network might have lower fees due to improved technology, but always select the cheapest fee option available. If possible, transfer during off-peak hours when network fees drop to zero or near zero. Step 5. Review the transaction details, confirm, and submit. It should process in a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the arrival. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for security. And remember, while we've aimed for no fees, crypto markets change, so verify current rates. There you have it, your Bitcoin transferred without breaking the bank. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.